one of the most common way to make money on TikTok in 2024 is TikTok Shop for creators, where creators can actually be an affiliator for products which is sold on TikTok Shop. Why is this so common? It's because this model has been adapted in many countries across the entire world, where many creators already have access to TikTok Shop and become one of the TikTok affiliators. TikTok Shop is an entire e-com business model. It is very similar to Shopify, Amazon, and stuff like that. So TikTok has their own e-commerce platforms where seller comes in and sells their product, and creators can be part of the affiliate program in the application itself. So upon successful registration as a TikTok affiliator, you will have a showcase that looks like this in your TikTok profile, and you can sell through videos as well as live stream. Now you might be asking how to actually get access to this. So we will dive right into that right now. So first of all, we have to go to our TikTok profile and go up to the 3 lines on our profile. And as you can see at the monetization area, there is this button called TikTok Shop for creators. If you haven't have that yet, there is 2 reasons. Probably your country is not eligible, or you yourself is not eligible for this program. Now, in order to be eligible for this program, you have to be number 1, 18 years old and above, number 2, 1,000 followers and above. So once you have these 2 criteria fulfilled, you can actually apply for the TikTok Shop for creators. So upon applying, putting in all your specific details, as well as they will ask you to create a commission account, which includes your personal bank details. And then from there on, you can go to the Creators Marketplace and add product. Then you can start selling, adding link to your videos that looks like this. So when your video comes across the For You page for any viewers out there, once they see that video, probably it can be a demo product. Then if they're interested, they can click the cart button in your video. Straight away, they can make the purchase. So that is far one of the best ways to make money on TikTok in 2024 and beyond. Now, of course, there are many other monetization tools like series, video gift, and all those kind of things. But the best one here is this TikTok affiliate marketing thing. All right. So hopefully you get something out of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, as well as leave me a comment and smash that subscribe button for more videos like this.